Right guys, today I'm going to show you how to remove and change a mower blade. In my case, it's a Stihl RM545. First off, you want to turn the lawnmower on its side. In my case, I'm going to turn it to my right. That's what an oil sump is. Whenever you turn the lawnmower over, you want it on the oil side. So put it on its side, then you'll get your socket set. Open it up, find the right size for you, and get your ratchet out, and then we're good to go. Okay, so now I've got to take the blade off. Using your ratchet, pull it up towards you. The way to remember this is righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. So obviously, I do it anti-clockwise, and it's unscrewing. Don't forget, when you've took your bolt out, to keep your washer with the bolt. It's important you don't lose that. Quick look at the blades. Yeah, they're not too bad, but still need a sharpen, so that's what we'll get on with. And while you're at it and the blade's off, you may as well just clean underneath. No better time to do it, might as well. Ideally, you want to do this about once a week. Keeps it looking good, keeps the grass looking sharp. Definitely worth it in the summer. Keep on top of it. Right, to sharpen the blades, I've got this Makita angle grinder. I'm going to use the flappy pads. I think the flappy pads or flappy discs, either way, don't really matter. Got the handle if I need it, pop it in the side there. And the battery, which is fully charged. Keep it to 5 as well. So it's a pretty simple mechanism on this Makita. All you do, face your disc the right way, line it up, push it down, and it'll click into place just like that, and you're done. You're good to go. Let's have a look. There she is. Right, yeah, just a quick one. Always try and wear these when you've got your angle grinder, because all it takes is a split disc to ping off right in the eye, and you'll be a goner. So just bear that in mind. Always try and wear your glasses if you got some. So it's obviously important to say when you're doing this, make sure the sparks are flying away from you. It's not near your eyes. It's not going to set yourself on fire. And also, if there's no open cans knocking around with fuel in, be a pretty sad way to go. This blade's looking fine now, looking all right to me. So bearing in mind, if you've got a vise in a shed that can clamp onto it, it'll probably be a bit better, be more accurate. But I don't. So I've got to make use of what I have. Yeah, I don't think they're looking too bad. I'm happy with that. So for now, I'll just put the blade back on. Make sure the blade's on the right way around. You don't want it on backwards because it won't be very effective. You want to get your bolt. You want to make sure the washer is on the bolt. Don't lose that. And then just simply screw it in again. Like I said before, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. And jobs are good. We're good to go. And if you found this content useful, don't forget to like and subscribe.